Hello guys, today we are building a box fort.
Yep, we have a box that was left over from a stroller we got, a double stroller.
And look.
Yep, there's our stroller.
We built it, but it was hard.
That you helped put together, right?
Uh-huh.
Give me 5 on that.
I put both of the wheels on, didn't I?
Yes, you
Put
did.
all of them.
He put those wheels on by himself, and they work very well.
Guys, watch this. He turned, and he's turned in circles.
You're right. Okay, now we're going to turn this into a...
Drive it, guys. It's going to be hard to drive it without seeing it.
Yep.
Yes!
And this is where, here, we'll go ahead and show them then. This is where CJ will sit.
Look.
And this part, or you can stand.
But
And when you turn it this way, this is where Jace will sit. Okay, so
tape and tape. Two tape.
we have some regular tape and some packaging tape and our scissors, CJ's safety scissors from school.
Uh-huh.
And we have our big box, which has kind of been squished, because what have you all been doing on it?
Jumping on it.
Jumping and squishing it.
Nope. And laying on it like this.
He's so silly. Ew. Wait. Oh, you gonna copy him?
Jesse, no.
No, we're not teaching. I'm gonna teach him that. No kick.
Give me the back.
Okay, so we have our. Stop squishing it more. We have our supplies. Now let's get started. Right?
Jace.
Jace. There you
Big
go.
dinosaur monster.
He's a
I'm
big
doing
dinosaur
regular
monster.
tape.
We gotta tape it once we cut it. All right, let's get to cutting it.
We cut it the box, but you should always call your parents for help.
Yes. You should always have a grown-up when you're working with scissors or anything that's sharp. And Jace is being silly. Now,
We're taping it.
so I've cut all these little things down, and we pushed them down.
I got the greatest idea.
And CJ is taping all of them. Look at the good job he's doing.
It untaped it itself.
You can put more tape if you need to.
Put more tape.
Yep.
What's super hard?
I think we're going to cut a door right here. And Jace is still drawing. Say hi. Say hi. Jace.
Nah. Mama.
Uh-oh, empty. Good job.
Yes, tape.
Look at all these little drawings he's done. Good job, Jace.
A door.
Okay, so CJ has taped them all, so now we're going to try to do a door on the front. Jace, you okay? Let's do it about...
Guys, it's looking like a castle right now. And look at JC up there looking.
Say hey, CJ.
You're just Jace. How'd you write my name? How'd you write your name?
I wrote his name.
Who wrote my name? Who wrote my name?
I wrote your name.
I'm gonna blob it on her hair. Blob it on her hair.
On my hair.
Bob, Bob, black sheep. Super awesome snipping.
You guys sing some of those songs we're learning?
Nothing.
Nothing.
No.
Alright, so we're making progress. Jace is coloring the front of our fort, and this is our door part. Yep, and CJ's taping the back of our fort now.
My kiki. And look at that. What? Oh.
Yes.
Can you please stop getting it off?
What's wrong?
Stop it.
Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Alright, CJ has the phone now, so alright, let's show it right about there. We can cut the box.
Mommy, you gotta cut more faster.
It's okay, I know these are little scissors. We should have got some bigger scissors.
Like this big.
Or a box cutter.
Like this big in my hand.
Oh,
Like
look what
this
Jason's
big.
doing. You can go show them that. Show
Guys,
them what you
look.
colored.
he did this one. Peek, peek, peek. Footprints everywhere, and this is mine.
Awesome.
Let me color something cool.
Alright, let's pause this for a second. Go.
Look, I made a zombie sign.
Oh my god.
It's a zombie sign.
That's pretty cool.
It looks as...
Okay, we're still cutting over here too.
Guys, look. Here, got there from all the way to there, all the way to here. We're gonna cut all the way down there. And she's super close. Look.
Alright, so we are making progress here, guys. This is the back. Both of the boys can fit.
And Mama can fit.
Mama can fit too. Jace. Ready? Okay, so there's the inside of it. And this is the front and their door. So you can go in here and see silly boys. And close it right on your head. And we are doing pretty good, don't you think?
Uh-huh. Now watch this.
Oh my gosh. So we have finished it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So this is our, what is it, our castle?
Uh-huh.
What are you going to call it?
Castle destroy.
Castle destroy. Yep, this is what we built. We made a shelter and a little table where he had all his toys on. And these are our towers. This is the front where they have windows that can open and say peekaboo and say bye-bye. And then our door that Jace just come through.
Look.
And he is playing with his grocery games and Minecraft figures.
Watch.
Oh gosh.
All the grocery shops we got. Look. We
Yep.
got 5 characters.
We got even more than that, but they're somewhere in your room, right?
But we're gonna go find them.
Yeah.
I looked in a whole drawer, but it didn't in there.
I
I
know.
only find these much.
So he is putting his figures on all of these little places that he can
a
stick
duck.
things.
Look. Doing,
That's
doing,
pretty
doing,
cool.
Doing, doing. Look.
So-
Mama, did you know they are against these people?
Oh my
Mama,
gosh.
these are ultra wearers, and these are not wearers.
Oh, okay.
They're bad, and these are clean.
Oh, okay.
Bad, clean.
So they're the yucky ones.
Disgusting. Don't want to touch them. You want to touch those.
Those are the clean guys. Cool. That's pretty awesome.
Mom, this is the one that is a splayer.
What do you have in your window?
Well, I have a cube
Uh-oh.
and a ghost dude from Mario.
Do you like your castle?
Yeah, let's go find some more of these.
Can we go find more of them?
Uh-huh.
All right, well, let's wrap up our video.
Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.